Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. The big loving boom cuz. Let's do it. The big like a boom cuz. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. The big level boom cause she liking my flow. Big being on all bitch called the scope. Beat the bar to ride with me and lit bow. I know that bitch like her, she threw up the foe. Done roofing on that bitch gon' hit the dough. I'm in the hood with my bro. No slime on the dude, but I still wipe your nose. Let's do it. Let's do it. Bring my twin out the pin, he the real lost star. Used to pull up and shoot up the water. Down soon as she let it touch. Let's do it. Hot little boy on that hot boy. Start this vlog out a little different. So right now I'm in Atlanta. It's my brother back there. What's up, Paul? I'm getting ready to head out, get the day started, see what we're gonna do. See the view. I think I'm at the Hilton downtown. Them folks know you really at the beach with all these waves around here. What'd you say? You really to this side. You really at the beach with all these waves. You feel me? We stay spinning around. It don't even brush no more. Anyway, I'm about to head downstairs, you know, to the car. I'm ready to hit this cold start inside the garage because I know it's going to be crazy. But yeah, like I said, I'm getting ready to head downstairs to the parking garage, get this cold start. I need to put my new tire stickers on because I got two of my front wheels that kind of look tacky. I was going to do it before I left, but it was raining, you know, in North Carolina, so I said I'm going to do it whenever I got here. But the messed up thing is, whenever I grab my tire stickers and my whole package with everything in, I forgot the glue. So I'm gonna have to wing this out. I'm getting ready to find a Family Dollar or a Walmart, and I'm gonna just super glue the tire letters on there. And that should work the same way, but yeah. Oh, make sure y'all like this video, leave a comment, you know, any kind of green emoji, come back after the video is over with, and leave another comment. No work clothes. Oh, and do y'all see the new chain? You know, that's about 30K on my neck right there. YouTube treat me real good, you know. No work clothes, new boots on. You know, this video I'm trying to give y'all more, let me pull this mask down, more kind of personal, a little bit mixed in with car stuff. About to sit the camera on somebody else's car. I'm trying to see where this couple right here is going before I find out which car I want to put it on. I'm thinking about that one. They look like they're some Japan people. These people that's coming, they black. I don't know. I think I'm gonna just sit it right here. This SUV. Let me see. Do they got a camera on there? Nah, they ain't got no camera on there. Ooh, boy, I thought they were cranking it up. Let me see. Hold on, y'all. Alright, I got that recording. Let me zoom in. Alright, now. Gotta put this camera on right here. This the camera y'all gonna get the cold start on. And then y'all gonna get me revving up off of this camera. It is pretty, but it's kind of cold out here. I can't even ride with my windows down like I usually do in North Carolina. And y'all roads is trash on downtown. I can't even hit it. The road's so bumpy. So I'm back at the hotel in the parking garage. I'm getting ready to put the letters on. I'm gonna let it sit so they can dry. Y'all can see, you know, I'm out here trying to do this myself. All you do is, you know, you just try to get most of it on the edge, you know, around the outline of the letter. And then, you know, you go in on the inside, boom, 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 whatever, you know. It's really common sense, y'all, that's it. So I just got it on there with the super glue, and I'm not even gonna bother taking off the other side because that super glue, it ain't holding. So it ain't drying or like sticking like the other glue is. So I'm gonna just leave the other side the way it is. It ain't too bad. I'm gonna just clean it off real good. So I'm gonna play this safe. So hopefully them letters will stay until I get home. And I'm about to get some new tires also. I think I'm gonna go with 275s at the front. And then the back, so I'm gonna just go ahead and go to 305. So y'all know a burnout video is on the way. Hey, North Carolina? You wanna shout yourself out or anything? Just going on YouTube.
Man, look, OG Life 314 with YouTube, man. We got Slap Pack out here with the Slime Pack. Hey, we got here with Srt Bree. Gonna turn that mug up, you know what I'm saying? Hope I see some smoke come from this man. There's gonna be some smoke come from this one.
Definitely. You gonna be swinging?
I'm gonna do a little bit of this. Probably be too much time. But I'm gonna make some smoke for sure.
Got anything done under the hood?
Like, stop.
It stopped. You know, everybody says stop.
No, stop for sure.
What about,
I don't be losing.
What about the exhaust?
Stop. Everything stop.
Stop.
2020.
I just got my mids and resonators cooking off.
That's why your shit loud like that.
Tell you.
Hit them over last night. I'm like, okay, her shit ready. I say I'm so stopped. Except 25 on the back.
Alright. I got
doors. I ain't losing with them on. I'm telling you.
I just got 295s at the back. Hey, I said
Oh, that shit hard.
I got it. Yeah, 295, 35, 20. Them right there still the 245 at the front.
Yeah, not too. You turn. Okay, they're gonna go up.
And I see y'all there.
Say less. You made tomorrow.
Alright.
Hey, we in this bitch.
In the block getting busy, we play with no six, bitch, I'm trippin'. This week got me spilling my liquor. The choppers got bins on the bottles, I don't give a fuck about the bitch, I'ma fuck all the sisters. Say you want to smoke, you can get it. We out here thuggin' big lots, we ain't running for shit. Bitch, we loaded, so shit gon' get lit. I'm stacking investors for future moves, trying to get rich. Let's keep it real. These fuck niggas pussy, they sending them shots on the song, but ain't making no noise. Hella gun, bitch, we cop them like toys, bitch, I'm double MD, I got shooters that knock off your boys. These fuck niggas pussy, they sending them shots on the song, but ain't making no noise. Hella gun, bitch, we cop them like toys, bitch, I'm double MD, I got shooters that knock off your boys. On that. Fuck out the odds, y'all pussy, y'all pull up game weak. Tryna put a pussy to sleep. Niggas be lame, y'all capping, don't stay with no heat. If you wanna shoot, bitch, I'm with you. Just 5 million away, they send shots out the side of the window. This bitch on my gang, she a fish. I fuck all of mine, go home out and bust on the dentures. My niggas bang east side, but you know I got niggas that bang out the west. We aim at your top of the vest. Why is you out on the block and ain't chasing no check? OG be giving me knowledge, I gotta run with it. We send out them shooters like goblins. Mask up, cause she gon' get violent. Shooter ain't telling he solid. I auto this bitch, fuck a pilot. Getting busy, we play with no six, bitch, I'm tripping. This week got me spilling my liquor. The choppers got bins on the bottles, I don't give a fuck about the bitch, I'ma fuck all the sisters. Say you want to smoke, you can get it. We out here thugging big glocks, we ain't running for shit. Bitch, we loaded, so shit gon' get lit. I'm stacking the business for future moves, trying to get rich. Let's keep it real. These fuck niggas pussy, they sending them shots on the song, but ain't making no noise. Hella gun, bitch, we cop them like toys, bitch, I'm double MD, I got shooters that knock off your boys. These fuck niggas pussy, they sending them shots on the song, but ain't making no noise. Hella gun, bitch, we cop them like toys, bitch, I'm double MD, I got shooters that knock off your boys. Get him out of here, he talking stupid. Bitch, I'm a burner, I'm spinning, don't care about the weather. My pockets be stuffed with some cheddar. The gang smoking, was getting stupid, we fucking them better. Chopper got killed like a punter, I run them down like a